Good morning, student. Here we are again with the continued concept of accounting. Now we are going to deal a few different concepts for today's class. As you can see here appears matching concept. A very simple word can explain this concept, that expenses incurred to earn revenue for the same accounting year should be matched properly to know the profit earned or loss suffered for that accounting year. What do you mean by that? Means, first of all, accounting year for a particular period, relevant revenue should always compare with relevant expenses. For example, suppose you are going to prepare or record accounting information for the year 2019. So, all the revenue that the enterprise may receive for the year 2019 should properly be matched with the expenses of 2019 only. The relevant revenue for the year in which accounting is going to be done, not for the year 2018 or 2020. So, I think you are aware of that. The meaning of revenue. Revenue is actually amount received or amount receivable after providing goods or services. It does not mean how much cash you have received. In the same manner, expenses is the amount that you have incurred just to earn the revenue. Expenses does not mean payment. Suppose you have availed the facilities but not paid, then it will be treated as expenses. For example, for the year 2019 December, you have not paid salary to your employee, but the facilities of services you have availed in 2019 December, so it will be taken as expenses, isn't it? It is very important concept just to recognize, to record profit or loss, because until and unless revenue will not match with expenses, the organization, the enterprise will not able to find out profit or loss of that accounting year, isn't it? You can also take it another example for this one. Suppose you have purchased goods, but only the cost of the goods will be taken into account that was sold. You don't have to compare with the cost of unsold goods or stock, isn't it? So, overall, we can say it is a kind of concept the revenue earned during that accounting year, whether it has received in the year or not, will be matched with the cost expenses incurred, whether the expenses has been paid or not, just to ascertain exact correct profit or loss. As I told you in the earlier example, loss is the other face of the same coin. So no business is going to calculate loss. It is when negative amount is there, it will be termed as loss. Okay, simple sense. Otherwise, this is not the exact definition. Now come to the next concept, that is full disclosure concept. As the name suggests here, I think you can also assume some approach with the given name. It explained that all that kind of information that are important should properly be disclosed, should be written. Any information should not hidden, because if any information will not properly share with the users of financial information, it may be possible that the financial statement won't able to disclose fair view. So simply this concept explained that all relevant facts should properly disclosed while preparing financial statement for an enterprise, isn't it? Okay, now come to the next consistence concept, a very important concept. Consistent approach is also sometimes explained like that. Under this concept, it explained that when any enterprise is going to prepare financial statement or is going to share financial information, whatever the rules, policies, practices followed by the enterprises should be consistent. Means frequently the organization cannot change it. Later on, you will come to know about that, because there are various calculation method in accounting for various for various situations. So under this concept, during the year after year, an enterprise cannot change it. Change is only possible if it is permitted by law and it is also beneficial for the enterprise. Come to the next. Conservatism concept name, when you have heard the name, I think a different concept has created. This is also called prudence basis. A strange and very genuine and logical concept is there. I think you may have observed in your practical life as well. According to this concept, all the future loss should be recognized. Recognized here means to say recorded, but not the future profit. This concept explains that the profit should be recorded in books of account only when it has realized. But in case of loss, the approach is totally different. Any anticipated loss, if seems certain, although it is in future, it should be recorded in the books of account. Okay. For example, you have sold goods on credit. It may be possible that 5% of the amount you may not realized of the total cost of goods sold. So you have to make an accounting arrangement for this one, and it will be recorded in the books of account. And this is known as conservative concept or prudence basis. Okay. Now come to the next, materiality concept. It is also important. Here first I will refer you what is material item. Material here has been used as important. Okay. This is not noun use of the word. So you can replace the word the thing that is important. So importance concept. Under this concept, a proper effort should be taken by the bookkeeper while maintaining financial information, financial statement, that all the material fact, event, all the important fact, event should properly disclose. You may get then what is the meaning of full disclosure? Full disclosure means what are the method that was adopted for preparation of information should be disclosed, and here the material fact, materiality concept. It may be possible that item of a small value, it may be ignored, but that small amount has taken in too many transactions, then certainly it is going to affect the users of financial information. And this concept explains that this type of information should properly be disclosed. So the users of accounting should properly be able to take proper decisions. For an example, suppose rupee 1 less received while you are receiving amount from debtor for one time. It may ignore rupee 1, but rupee 1 has been received from debtor more than 10 crore transactions. So you can here feel the importance of that one. It is only rupee 1. But how many times? 10 crore times. So this should properly be recorded. So it is going to affect the revenue of 10 crore. So these kind of thing are material concept used to take. Okay, so these all such information should disclose properly, either in financial statement or the notes and that the organization is going to produce with the help of that one. Okay, so here goodbye for that one. We will meet in the next class. Till then, keep revising. Thank you.